How to disable link preview on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to remove link previews on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap Settings, then tap Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Advanced. Over here, you will see an option called Disable Link Previews. If it's turned off, you were able to preview links on WhatsApp. Toggle on the button to disable link previews. Once you have toggled it on, come back to the chat section. Open a conversation where you want to share a link. Tap on the message box to start typing. Now paste the link you have copied. Make sure it is a valid link. As you can see, the link preview is not showing for me. Even if I send it, I am not able to preview links. And boom! You have successfully learned how to disable link previews on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.